Okay, number one. Kiara's grandmother bakes and sells cakes for special occasions. Kiara recently discovered a ledger containing the following data. All right, what is this called right here? What's that called? Nobody knows what that is called? It's called a what? Table. Now, anytime you see a table, what should you be thinking? Yep, it's in the calculator, but what is it called? Do a regression. You're going to do a regression. Now, here's the deal. If x represents the number of cakes and f of x, which is nothing more than y, is the total amount of dollars charged, then what is the rate of change in the data in dollars per cake? What's another name for rate of change? Slope. So all you're doing is finding the slope. So get your calculator. Home, new document, spreadsheet, regression, do a table, regression. We got to get that down. You do it when you and get more math, but you're not doing it. Do it, man. Get one. Tell me what the equation is you get. Nobody's got an equation yet? What'd you say? Yeah. So y equals 8x plus 3. So what's the slope? 8. That was the answer right there. That's all you had to do. All right. Let's look at number 2. The high school band sold 500 tickets for a concert. The price of an adult ticket was $14.50, and the price of a student ticket was $9.50. The total amount of money collected was $5,860. Which system of linear equations can be used to find A, the number of adult tickets sold, and S, the number of student tickets sold? Now, here's the thing. Y'all have been working these problems and getting more math where you have to do it. There's one thing that they don't do. That 500 tickets, they sold it. That's a total. So here's the deal. This part should have been A plus S equals 500. That's the first equation. Now, the rest of it is matching. Should be 1450. That's the price of an adult ticket plus 950 S equals, and I'm going to have to come down here, $5,860. There's your second equation. Okay, so you have to remember this. Money goes with money. That total goes with what you're talking about, money. So what's the correct answer here? What's the correct answer? B. That's it. That's all you have to do. All right, flip it over. Number 3 should have been gold. That one should have been, y'all should have been all over that one. Now, Dejan was asked to solve the following system of linear equations on an algebra exam. There's your system right there. Okay? Wow. Well, I'll count it in a minute. He had a difficult time finding a solution, so he incorrectly guessed 0, 0 before turning in his exam. What is the correct answer to the exam question? Can you put this into your calculator? Yeah. So the answer was just no solution. Just like what you do on Get More Math. It's the exact same thing. Too many of y'all miss this problem. Now, number 4. Y'all have done this, believe it or not. You just have to write it down. A candy store sells 8-pound bags of mixed hazelnuts and cashews. If C pounds of cashews are in a bag, the price P of the bag can be found using the formula P equals 2.59 C plus 1.72 times 8 minus C. If one bag is priced at $18.11, how many pounds of cashews does it contain? What letter stands for price? P, yeah. So you already know P. Now look at this. Do this. Look at it now. 18.11 is equal to 2.59 C plus 1.72 times 8 minus C. What are you doing right there? You just got to do what? No. What's the overall concept we're looking to do here? Not simplify. We got an equal sign. All you got to do is solve it. Do you know how to solve equations? Where do we go solve equations? Put it in your calculator. Let's go. What'd you get? What did y'all get? Nobody's got an answer? B. Should have gotten, what'd you get, Joseph? You got 5? Oh, D, my bad. I was just guessing. Thought it was, yeah, 5. That's the answer. All right, last one, real quick. Let me tell you right now, all this is crap. Doesn't matter. You just need to know T is time. Stop. Here's the deal. It wants to know the domain. T stands for time. Can time ever be negative? No. So it's really all real numbers greater than 0. This little sign says to infinity. The answer here was B, 0 to infinity.